Hey guys, sorry I missed you. Let's go through everything so you don't miss a thing. The first thing's really important. Remember, we're doing book club pickup on Monday, November 30th, 12:30 to 3:30 p.m. Really important because we got your book club books. We want you to pick them up. So, do me a favor. Pause this video. Go either text, call, or like literally, hey, mom, dad, whomever, tell them, hey, I've got to go ahead and pick up my book club book at Blue Ridge on Monday, November 30th, between 12:30 and 3:30. That thing right here. I'm actually going to pause for a minute so you can do just that. Perfect. All right. Now, let me go ahead and show you what we went over today. Another friendly reminder that, of course, the task list that we're working on right now is due on December 8th or 9th, A-Day versus B-Day, and it is a test grade, 22.5% of your final grade. And here are the tasks on it that we're already working on. Task number 1, we already did. We set a goal. You should be working on that right now. Task number 2, you were supposed to research the scholastic genre and just write down 5 things you noticed about the author did that made that piece so good. Here's what we did today. We drafted, and then we also got feedback. So here's what that looked like, okay? So today in workshop, first thing we want you to do is go ahead and work on your scholastic draft. Just as a little reminder that again, yeah, kind of big. The scholastic draft needs to be finished before you come back to class, either on December 1st, which would be Tuesday, or December 2nd, which would be Wednesday. So make sure that whole puppy from beginning, middle, end, even if it's not polished, even if it's not edited, ready to go, but it's finished being written before you come back to class. We had conferences. If you wanted to meet with me, I'd help you find, polish your piece. So if you want to shoot me an email, I'm happy to take a look at what you want. Just make sure you let me know what you want some feedback on. We worked on our reading goal because don't want that to sneak up on you. That's going to be due again on the 8th or the 9th, and we don't want that to pass you by. That's 25% of this grade. And last but not least, we worked on a thank you note if you had somebody in your family you wanted to thank. So this is what a learning lab looked like, right? Remember that you got to have your piece finished before we actually come back on either Monday or Tuesday. Also, we worked on our reading goal. I said, don't let that sneak up on you, get that done. And remember, don't forget, book club pickup, Monday, November 30th, 12:30 to 3:30. Make sure you're there. Other than that, it's really simple. Have a wonderful, relaxing, and safe Thanksgiving break with your family. Read too much, sleep too much, eat too much, and enjoy your family too much. I will see you next week, and have a great break. Bye, guys.